Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram DMs. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's begin our tutorial. So first, we will want to go to our Instagram app and then you will want to go to your feed or to your DMs. And to do so, you will find your DMs that will be showing here by clicking on this message icon, and here you will find the list of your conversation. So now you will want to choose anyone. I'm just going to click on this one or anything, and you can go for anyone. And after that, you will be needing to simply swipe up to the top. So this also depends on if you have already the vanish mode that is available into your Instagram app. So in that case, you will need just to swipe up and just exaggerate in swiping up, and you will have your vanish mode that will be enabled or disabled depend on each state. So if it was already enabled and you swipe up, it will be disabled or turned off. And if it was already turned off and you swipe up again, it will be turned on. Another way to do it by simply going to the app or the profile icon or the conversation name, you click on it, and from here you will have this chat control, privacy and safety. By clicking on privacy and safety, you will find another options in addition to all these saying vanish mode. So there you will have these labels, and then you will need just to turn off the vanish mode for this conversation, and by that you will have successfully turned off the vanish mode for your DM. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.